Howdy everybody, welcome to the Bear Cave. I'm Smoking Bears, and today, it's a beautiful day. We're going to try to take a HelloFresh meal and cook it on the Vortex. Stay tuned. Cheers. Okay, so today's meal is this figgy balsamic pork with roasted carrots, thyme, and taters. So we're not sponsored. This is just something that the wife was ordering. We order these so it feeds 4 of us, so that way we have the 3 of us, and then she has a lunch in the morning or for the next day. So anyway, everything comes in a bag like this, and it's labeled. This is all you need for there, right? And then the meat, reach over here, comes in packets like this. So it's single serve, or served out, portioned. Everything's in it. Everything you need for this meal is in this bag. So let's take a look. So in this bag you have your taters, your thyme, your shallots, your pork. Well, the pork's right here. Carrots, chicken stock concentrate, and then your balsamic vinegar and your fig jam. So all that should be in the bag, minus the pork, which is right here. Open this bag. There's my thyme. Here's my carrots, which looks like we'll need peeled and chopped. This is balsamic vinegar. This is how it comes. So that's all I need right there. Boom, boom. This is your chicken concentrate. This is your figgy jam. A couple more carrots. 2 shallots. And then taters. For 4 people. So there's a lot of little taters. And that's it. That's all that's in the bag. Alright, so then let's take a look at the back side of this card, and it tells you how to make everything. So this is everything that should be in there. Alright, and what kind of utensils you'll need. But we're going to change up a little bit. But it tells you here, adjust the racks in your oven, which we're going to use the Vortex, so we don't need to do that. Preheat to 450, which it's working on now. Wash and dry the produce. So we'll go, let me do that. And then we'll come back to dice the taters and trim and peel the carrots and cut in diagonal and strip the thyme. So let me do that. And we'll be right back. Just like that. Chopped, cut the way they kind of said. I put them in these little pans instead of a cookie sheet. That way I can put them on the Vortex. But next it says, toss the taters to one side of a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, half of the chopped thyme, salt and pepper. Toss the carrots to the empty side, drizzle with salt and pepper. Roast on the rack, tossing halfway through, render crispy, 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. A little bit of olive oil. Down both sides, down all over it. All right. A little SPG. I mean, it says salt, pepper, but this has just got a little garlic and some other yumminess in it. Alright. And a little, about half the thyme I said. Boom, 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 boom. Pause. Add a little more SPG. Let's go get them on the vortex. You see, we're close to 500 on the dome. It's about 475-ish. So that's cool. Well, it's where we want it to be. Just got some lump charcoal in there. I'll set these bad boys like this, Put the carrots up front. Boom, there we go. Move over to 3, and it says, while the veggies pat the pork dry with paper towels, season all over with salt and pepper, olive oil in a large pan over medium heat, and till browned. Okay, so let's do that. I was gonna fire it up and do it like it said here. It just wants a sear, but then it goes over here and it says that I gotta transfer it to a baking sheet, and then I want to roast it in the oven. Let's just go ahead and put this on the vortex. What do you think of that? Salt, pepper, boom, done. I know it said pat it dry, but that's porky goodness right there. I set them in there like so. Okay. Now it does say use salt and pepper, so let's do that. We're going to use the Uncle Steve's SPG. Why? Because I can. Do you have to? No. Alright. I'm going to roll them over. Off to the vortex. Looks like a good spot, huh? Alright, so I don't know how much time it's been, but I feel like my internal clock's telling me to flip or to toss the veggies. So let's get our hot gloves on because they're boiling. Let's check these out. Oh, well, if that don't look good, let's check our temps on our, and get our thermometer here turned on. She's saying about 156 in the center. That one's 165. That one's 156. All right, so I'm gonna say these are done. Our carrots still got a little texture to them, so we don't want to mush. And our taters look great. We don't want to mush either. We want them soft, and they soft. So let's get them pulled off. Okay, so now we got to pull it off onto the cutting board and let it rest. And then we drizzle the olive oil and the in the pan used for the pork, and then add in the shallots and thyme, then stir the concentrate and vinegar in and a quarter cup of water, then remove from pan, add butter and salt and pepper, and then serve. Let's remove these from the pan. Okay, in the same pan, drizzle olive oil over and add the shallots. So let's add some olive oil. Add the shallots. Don't throw them all over the floor. Alright, it smells good. We want these to go just a little bit, 3 to 4 minutes it says. I reckon till it just softens. And then add the remaining thyme. Done deal. Stock concentrates. Fig jam. And then a half cup of water. Half cup of water. Boom. Alright, so now it says 2 tablespoons of butter. So let's get that dropped in there. Let's go slice the pork. Alright, so let's slice this pork. Now I said to do it thin. Okay. Get the rest of them. Pork is sliced and butter is melted. So we're going to cut the heat off and start building plates. Yes, this goes on top. I missed where this is supposed to go.
Balsamic, just put it over the vegetables.
I think it's supposed to just give like a little zing.
You can put a little bit on it, yeah. I want to get a picture.
Alright y'all, so that was how I cooked this HelloFresh meal on the Vortex. She's giggling. She just walked down and said, "What smells so good?" And I said, "Surprise. This is the meal." Now, Cub.
Oh, you put the glaze on the...
Yeah. Now, I did not do it like presentation-wise the same, but it's okay. I didn't follow it exact, but recipes are guidelines, right? So,
No,
as long as it tastes good.
at least I'm cooking, not cooking.
Yes. So, I whipped this up on the Vortex instead of doing it in the oven. So, let's give it a try. Let's try the taters first. Oh, you got some more balsamic?
I like balsamic.
Mmm. Those are good. They're not crispy like roasted taters, like really, really roasted, but they're nice and soft and they got a good flavor. Let's try the carrots. They still got a little texture to them, which is good. Y'all can hear that crunch. You don't like carrots very well anyway.
I do. I just don't like that carrot.
I'm gonna try that carrot.
No, because I don't like when they're really hard.
Oh,
when
you don't
they're
like
soft.
the texture?
I like when they're soft carrots.
I think they're good. But let's get into the star. Oh, she's going straight for the middle one.
I want that one.
All right, all right, all right. You get the twang from the balsamic. Otherwise, I think the glaze turned out pretty good. The sauce is good. The pork's really good. Salt, pepper. Uncle Steve's. What do you think? Give it a thumbs up.
I like the potatoes.
She likes the taters, so. All right, y'all. That's all I got today. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Get out there and try it. It doesn't have to be in the oven.
And I'm awesome.
She is.
He's semi-awesome.
Have a great week.